Welcome to $10 Credit Repair. My name is Raoul. I created this channel to ensure anybody who wants to repair their credit or improve their credit situation can get actual information they can use. There's no paid subscription that I'm pushing. There's nothing you have to purchase. Not a mentorship, not a course, nothing. Not even my book. I create each video to address a specific topic from beginning to end. So after you watch that video, you'll know exactly how to address the item being discussed, whether it's a repossession, having it deleted, whether it's a collection, charge off, late payment, hard inquiries, whatever is impacting your credit. I create content to help you address those items. I explain in each video the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is simply the consumer laws that you, I, the credit bureaus, banks, and anybody who provides information to the credit bureaus about you must abide by. I show you how to use the consumer laws to your advantage to have items removed, even if they are yours, permanently. And I show you how to respond when a credit bureau sends you a response letter to a dispute or an investigation request. Show you how to read those letters and use them to your advantage. I will provide strategies on particular categories on how to remove those items from your credit report. I have over 25 years of experience as a credit repair specialist. I've repaired over 1,200 people's credit. I've trained over 30 credit repair specialists, and I've operated 3 credit repair companies, and I'm a former bank underwriter who approved mortgages, personal loans, and credit applications. So I have a deep understanding of how credit works and what to do to fix your credit if you have issues. I've had issues on my credit. Many of them I'll discuss in the videos. If I've had a repossession, which I've had a late payment. I've also had charge off, hard inquiries, you name it. So when I tell you how to remove it, it's not something based upon what I've heard, it's actually what I've done. So I'm glad you're here. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have anything you want me to discuss, you can email me at perfectscore@10creditrepair.com or leave a comment on the video. I read the comments, I respond to the comments, and if there are enough comments about a particular subject, I will create a video within a few days to address that subject. My next video is actually going to address 6 comments that were left about repossessions and collections. And I'm gonna take them step by step on how to address them. But if you have a particular question, leave a comment, send me an email, I will respond. And I'm glad you're here. Everything on this channel, each video is self-contained. You don't have to buy anything after you watch the video. I make the video so it addresses the issue from the front to the back and all steps in between. Thank you.